Hi, we're in the WBKO studios. We just went on Midday Live, but if you missed that, we wanted to tell you a little bit more about the Hensley lecture series coming up.
The Mary E. Hensley Lecture Series is sponsored by the College of Education and Behavioral Sciences. It was created to honor Mary Hensley, who is an alumni from WKU and received her bachelor's and master's degree here. She was a teacher in the community for over 39 years, and her son, Bobby Hensley, is a philanthropist who established this fund in 1998 to honor his mother and to provide the opportunity for WKU students and the community to learn more from people from around the world. Cheryl will tell you about this year's speaker.
Yes, so Lynnie Vessels is also a WKU graduate, and she is the author of To Soften the Blow. She'll present Words I Never Heard. So after her father shot her mother, she returned to her second grade class and no one knew what to say to her. So she will present her personal experiences of trauma and how taking the time and mustering the courage to find the right words can help every relationship you have. So we invite community members and campus members to join us for this free lecture on Tuesday, September 25th at 7 p.m. in WKU's Gary Ransdell Hall Auditorium.
The focus of the College of Education and Behavioral Sciences, CEBS, is to develop professionals who are interested in supporting others. We are sponsoring bringing Lynnie Vessels here because she provides an opportunity for our students and community members to learn more about the impact that they can have on the lives of others. Teachers, counselors, and psychologists are so important to those who have suffered trauma.
So I've heard her speak before, and I'm excited to see her speak again. Lynnie captivated the audience at the Kentucky Counseling Association conference last year. And so she spent many years as a teacher and now inspires people to have the compassion and patience to help others dealing with trauma. She'll help audience members find the courage to connect with people who need support. You can learn more about her at lennievessels.com.
Yes, and if you're interested in becoming one of those professionals who help others, the WKU College of Education and Behavioral Sciences has numerous programs that you can be involved with. We have teacher education, multiple counseling programs, and psychology programs. Please look to our website, wku.edu/CEBS, for more information.
Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you on Tuesday, September 25th at 7 p.m. to see this Words I Never Heard.